Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we'll uncover what it means to be alive, explore the richness of biodiversity, and decode how scientists classify life. Ready? Hit that like button, and let's dive into the living world. What makes something alive? Let's break it down into 5 key traits that define life. 1. Growth. Living things grow. Plants stretch toward the sun, and animals gain size or weight over time. 2. Reproduction. The ability to produce offspring and ensure the survival of the species. 3. Response to stimuli. Ever seen a sunflower turn towards sunlight or shivered on a cold day? That's a response to the environment. 4. Metabolism. All living things carry out chemical reactions, like digestion or respiration, to survive. 5. Cellular organization. The cell is the basic unit of life. Whether it's a single-celled bacterium or a multicellular human, life is built on cells. Quick recap. If something grows, reproduces, metabolizes, responds to stimuli, and is made of cells, it's alive. Metabolism is the set of chemical reactions that keep living organisms alive and thriving. Catabolism breaks molecules down to release energy, like digestion. Anabolism builds molecules, like creating proteins for muscle growth. Metabolism is unique to living organisms. Imagine a rock digesting food. Not happening, right? Living organisms are made of cells, the tiniest units of life that work tirelessly to keep things running. Unicellular organisms, made of just one cell, like bacteria and amoeba. Multicellular organisms, composed of many cells, like humans, elephants, and trees. Think of cells as microscopic factories, constantly producing energy, building materials, and responding to demands. They're life's ultimate building blocks. Earth is teeming with life. Scientists have identified 1.8 million species so far, but there's so much more to discover. Biodiversity refers to the incredible variety of living organisms, from microscopic bacteria to towering redwoods and blue whales. Life thrives everywhere, from scorching deserts to freezing polar ice caps. Ever wondered why humans are called Homo sapiens and lions are Panthera leo? That's binomial nomenclature, a universal naming system created by Carl Linnaeus. Each scientific name has 2 parts. 1. Genus, the group the organism belongs to, which is capitalized. 2. Specific epithet, the species within the genus written in lowercase. Examples include Homo sapiens for humans, Panthera leo for lions, and Oryza sativa for rice. This system ensures every species has a unique and universally recognized name, avoiding confusion across languages and regions. With millions of species to study, scientists needed a system to organize life's diversity. That's where classification comes in, grouping organisms based on similarities and differences. Here's the taxonomic hierarchy from smallest to largest. 1. Species. The basic unit, for example, Homo sapiens, humans. 2. Genus, group of similar species, for example, Panthera, lions, tigers. 3. Family, group of genera, for example, Felidae, cats. 4. Order, group of families, for example, Carnivora, carnivores. 5. Class, group of orders, for example, Mammalia, mammals. 6. Phylum, group of classes, for example, Chordata, animals with backbones. 7. Kingdom, the highest level, for example, Animalia, animals. Mnemonic tip. Some good friends offer chocolate pie kindly. Scientists use specialized tools and techniques to study and preserve life forms. Here are the most common ones. 1. Herbarium, collections of dried, pressed plant specimens, like a plant library. 2. Botanical gardens, places where plants are grown for research and conservation. Examples include Howrah Botanical Garden in India and Kew Gardens in the UK. 3. Museums, preserve specimens of plants, animals, and fossils for study. 4. Zoological parks, zoos where animals live in natural-like habitats. 5. Keys, tools used to identify organisms based on their characteristics. Wrapping up the living world. From the traits that define life to the immense diversity of organisms and the systems used to classify and study them, we've explored the incredible tapestry of the living world. Life comes in countless forms, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. And it's our curiosity that keeps unlocking nature's secrets. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle. Together, let's keep exploring the wonders of science and stay curious. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning.